Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Creative Corner. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can create engaging videos using just simple text and upload them directly to your YouTube channel. With just simple text, you can turn your ideas into videos and start generating income. No advanced editing skills are needed. We will be using Wondershare Filmora. Filmora.com, one of the best tools for easy text to video creation. Just write a script, turn it into a video and upload it to your channel. I have added the link in the video description, so be sure to check it out. This is a beginner-friendly and powerful method to grow your channel and income. So let's get started. So once you click on the link in the description and download, install Wondershare Filmora, you will see a dashboard like this. Here you can see different options. At the top there is a new project button. You can click on it to create a new video and start a new project. Just below that, you will find the idea to video feature, which is the main topic of your video. There are other options like audio to video, smart short clips, image to video, and more. On the left side panel, you will see several other categories. In the toolbox section, you will find a variety of tools available for use. These include features like audio to video, smart short clips, AI video enhancer, image to video, AI color plate, smart BGM generation, and many more. But for this video, I will be using the AI idea to choose idea to video tool to generate a video. So first click on the idea to video option and it will open a dashboard like this. Here you need to enter a prompt basically describing the character story and video setting that you want the video to describe your idea based on it. I will paste my prompt. I want to generate a workday vlog of a cute, fat, anthropomorphic orange tubby cat. So that's my prompt. Next, we need to adjust a few settings. First, we have the video duration. You can either let it auto select or choose from options like 10 to 20 seconds or 20 to 30 seconds. Then you need to select the video language. Filmora supports multiple languages like English, Japanese, Korean, Italian, French, Chinese, and many more. After that, you will choose a video style. The available style include realistics, anime, comic, cyberpunk, and others. I want to create a realistic video, so I will select realistic. Finally, click on the Generate AI Script button. The tool will now begin generating the script based on your prompt and settings. Once your script is ready, you will be able to see all the scene clips listed on the screen. You will find Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and many more, each with its own script. At this stage, you have the option to either generate image using AI or upload your own images for each scene. For example, I am going to generate the image using AI. To do that, simply click the Generate button next to a scene. If you want to generate images for all scenes at once, click on all scenes images and then hit the Generate button. The video generation process will begin immediately. Once the generation is done, you will see a dashboard filled with AI generated images. You can now pick your favorite image for each scene. I will go ahead and select an image. Then it's time to choose a character. For this, you will either upload an image or generate one using AI. I will generate mine. And since my character is a cat, the AI will create some cat images. Next, it's time to adjust some settings such as video enhancement, voiceover, and aspect ratio. Then click the generate button to begin creating the final video. It may take few minutes, so wait patiently. Edit your video, add text, subtitles. Once it's finished, the editor will open and you will be able to preview your video.
Snack breaks are for tasty treats and those little moments of reflection. As the day winds down, there's nothing better than relaxing and dreaming of tomorrow.
As you can see, the video is now fully generated and ready to upload to your YouTube channel. It's super easy to use. You can create multiple videos using Filmora 14. Plus its arrows for full customization. You can click on the scene icons to make edits as you like. You can add media, audio files, titles, transitions, effects, filter, and many more. Export your video when you are satisfied with your editing. Simply hit the export button and your video will begin exporting. And that's how simple it is to generate and edit videos using Filmora 14. The download conclusion link is available in the video description, so make sure to check it out. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.